Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy your invitation code on Mico. So let's get started. Open Mico application, then press the profile icon at the bottom right. Then you'll see the gear icon at the top right. Tap on it. Among all of these options, select the very last option, that is invitation code for your friend. There you can find your invitation code under My Invites. Now all you have to do is tap on the copy option. And this is how you can copy your invitation code on Mico. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.